Hello everyone, this is the North American Math Contest Go Go Go. This week, we are going to look at another COMC problem. This problem, an expression like this is called a continued fraction. First problem, write x given above as a reduced fraction in the form AB where a and b are positive integers. So let's draw the problem out and then decide them. Now let's calculate from the bottom part first. 3 plus 1 divided by 4 is equal to 13 divided by 4. Then we go up. 1 divided by 13 divided by 4 is equal to 4 divided by 13, which is this part as I draw. And then 2 plus 4 over 13 is equal to 30 over 13. And then 1 divided by 13 over 30 is going to be 13 over 30, which this is going to be our final answer for problem 1. Now, let's look at the second problem. The second problem, write this as a continued fraction in the form a plus 1 divided by b plus 1 divided by c, where a, b, c are positive integers. So we can first divide them into 3 plus 16 over 113, and then we can clearly find that a is equal to 3. Now we continue on the second part, 16 over 113. Wait, what? Oh, I think I have made a careless mistake here. I forgot to add 1. That's why I can't solve it. That's why. So after I identify this, let's then continue. 1 divided by b over 1 plus c is equal to 13 divided by 113. So b plus 1 divided by c is equal to 113 divided by 13. And then we want to factor 113 divided by 16 again, and we get 7 plus 1 over 13. So b is equal to 7 and c is equal to 13. So our final answer is going to be 3 plus 1 divided by 7. 1 divided by 7 plus 1 divided by 16. And this is our answer for the second problem. Now let's look at the third problem. Let this, where the process continues infinitely, given y can be written in the form of p plus root q. So we can set the part 8 plus a something 8 plus 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 as x. And then, since it is both of them are infinite, therefore you can simplify this equation into x is equal to 8 plus 1 over x. And then you time both sides by x. My first attempt is to do them by square, but I find it still too difficult to resolve them. So therefore I change it. And then I set both sides by x. And then after multiplying both sides by x, we can get x squared is equal to 8x plus 1. Then we use the quadratic equation to solve it. Negative b is plus or minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the quadratic equation. And then we get that we plug in the values respectively. And then we get that our final answer is going to be 8 plus or minus root 68 divided by 2. Since the problem says x must be a positive integer, and 8 minus root 68 is negative, 8 minus 68 negative is not a proper answer. Therefore, the only answer that is applicable is 8 plus 6 root 68, and the answer is going to be 8. After simplification, it is going to be 4 plus root 17, and then the answer is going to be 4 and 17.